Allow me to introduce you to my new race bike. I put it together this spring after racing on my previous tarmac since about 2015. It's a 56cm Specialized Allez Sprint Smart Weld. The cockpit is a Thompson 130mm stem with zip service course 42mm handlebars, wrapped in specialized holographic tape to match the saddle. The shifters are SRAM Apex 1x mechanical, and it's 11-speed. I chose to go 1x because of the fact that I live in Illinois, which isn't really known for its climbing, and because I only really ever race crits where a small ring isn't needed. The wheels are Rovals, and they're a mashup with a CL60 up front and a CL64 in the rear. I've had the front wheel for a while thanks to an incredibly generous friend, and the rear was on special when I was building the bike, so I snagged it for a great price. They might not match perfectly, but I think they look pretty good together. I'm rolling around on 28mm Specialized Turbo Cotton Clinchers, which have been nothing short of amazing. I race and train on these tires, and even though they're a little bit more on the pricey side, I'll continue to use them and have been wildly impressed with them. Last but not least, the drivetrain. Like I said earlier, I am running a 1x. The cranks are a quarked red D0 power meter attached to a 52-tooth chainring on the front, and out back things are kept in control by a SRAM Force 1x derailleur and an 1128 cassette. This is a pretty wide range of gears, and it gives me everything I need for training and racing. I don't really ever feel like I'm hurting for more gears or something easier. This spring even, I managed to go to training camp on an 1136 in the rear, and we were climbing about 100 feet per mile each day, and it was totally fine. I absolutely adore this bike. It's been amazing thus far, and I'm constantly surprised to know that this level of bike can be had for such a low price.